there would be no question of dining this morning if one had taken good lodging. And inside there were meat and bread and wine, and the fire were bright as of beech wood. Today is the richest day of the week, and I should be at ease, for I would wish Lady Lana wished my good as much as the Lord of Poito does. To give greeting I return among the limousines to those who have suffering My fair lord and my fair ermine, seek today for someone to praise them, for I have found the most certain in the world, and the noblest one can name. So her love is so daily familiar to me that toward other ladies it makes me fierce. Noble young body, frank and true and pure, of high lineage and royal. For you I shall be a stranger to my own country, and shall move myself beyond Anjou. And since you are so sovereign above others, your worth is all the higher for it. For the Roman crown would be honored by it if your head were enclosed within it. With the sweet glance she gave me, and with the bright face, love made me his slave. And my lord had placed me near her, seated upon an imperial felt, and her speech was sweet and humane, and her words courtly and gentle. And in company she seemed to me a Catalan, and in welcoming one from Fancho. At the noble speech she made me, and at the fair laugh when I saw her teeth of crystal, and her body slender, delicate, fresh and smooth, so very well set in its silk blia.